you though pop start, because it's come up in racing conversations. You want to get the car to roll a little bit, and it's nice in a Bugeye. You can jump in while it's rolling, give it a push. We'll close the door. That's not essential. We turn on the key, we engage third gear, pop the clutch, and it starts the car. What we've done is we've used the car's momentum to spin the flywheel and get the engine spinning enough that it will start. The minute it starts, I'm depressing the clutch and allowing the engine to idle just like I had started it with the starter motor. But that would be something you would need to know how to do if you had a dead battery, if you left your lights on and you couldn't start the car. That's a nice skill to have. And you can do it any time the car is rolling. So I'm going to turn it off now. We're going 15 miles an hour, plenty fast. Third gear, key on, pop the clutch, and we're ready to go. So that is pop starting your Bugeye. Just make sure that if you have an ignition lock, like on a later MGB, that you leave this on. You don't want to turn off your key like I just did and lose your steering if the steering locks up. So if you have a Bugeye that needs restoration or sorting, we hope you'll send it to us. We're doing great work on those key details that people have trouble capturing on all old British cars. We'd love to pick up your car and bring it to our shop here at Bugeye Guys.